Welcome back to another episode of Leila's Antique Ease, where we explore uncommon uses for everyday items. Today, we spice things up with cayenne pepper. First, stop animals from digging in your garden by sprinkling cayenne pepper around. It's a non-toxic deterrent that keeps your plants safe. Second, keep squirrels out of bird feeders. Birds are immune to the heat of cayenne pepper, but mammals aren't. So, mix cayenne pepper with birdseed and watch the squirrel-free magic happen. Third, get rid of ants. Wipe down their trail with vinegar, then sprinkle cayenne pepper. Fourth, clear your head. If allergies or a cold have you congested, a sprinkle of cayenne pepper in hot tea can help. Finally, for those chilly days, cayenne pepper in your shoes can keep your feet warm. Remember to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more episodes of Leila's Antique Ease. Uncover the extraordinary in the ordinary with us.